Hey Tube, welcome back. Today we continue our course in System Design Fundamentals. Today we will talk about the leaking bucket algorithm. And the leaking bucket algorithm is another rate limit control and traffic shaping mechanism used in computer networks and distributed systems. It's quite similar to the token bucket that we talked in the previous video. It helps to regulate the flow of the data events by ensuring that they are sent by a constant or controlled rate. The leaking bucket, as I said, is similar to the token bucket algorithm. Expect that requests are processed at fixed rate. It's usually implemented with a first in, first out queue. The algorithm works as follows. So, for example, that we have the client will try to send the requests. So let's have let's add this one here, and let's make it okay, and it will try to ask quite important question, which is the bucket full? And if the bucket is full, it will let's say that the client will try to send the request to the server. It will go through the bucket first, and if the bucket is full, it will be dropped. And like we drop this one. If it was full, we drop it. If it wasn't full, we push it to the queue. So basically we ask, is the queue is full or not? No. So basically we have this queue here. Let's add it like that. What's going on? Let's have it here. Let's copy this one here. So basically, if it's not full, it will be pushed to the queue. Let's add this queue, and the queue will push the request to the server. And it's a pretty easy to understand. It's pretty easy to implement. So the leaking bucket algorithm works as follows. So when a request arrives, the system checks if the queue is full. Okay, we try to check if the queue is full. If the queue is not full, the request is added to the queue. Otherwise, the request is dropped, and after that, requests are pulled from the queue and processed at regular intervals. So as you can see here, we have two important things. We have two parameters: the bucket size, which is equal to the queue size, basically. The queue holds the request to be processed at fixed rate. And the second thing that we have the outflow rate. So it defines how many requests can be processed at fixed rate, usually by second. The pros and cons in this one is the pros is that it's memory efficient given the the limited queue size. Also, the requests are processed at fixed rate, therefore it's suitable for use cases that a stable outflow rate is needed. The cons, I would say that it will be a burst of traffic fills up the queue with old requests, and if they are not processed in time, recent requests will be rate limited. Also, we could talk about we have two parameters in the algorithm, and it might not be easy to run them properly. And yeah, and that's it with the leaking bucket. And I guess in the next video we'll try to talk about the fixed counter algorithm, and yeah, and what's a good and bad thing about it. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you in future problems.